細嗰度，
係啊，
有蘋果牌㗎。
Hey guys, it's Chu here, and I'd like to say thank you for helping me reach 100 subscribers. I've recently hit that, and it's been a journey and a milestone so far, and I've worked really hard to try and improve on my commentary, my editing skills, and just finding ways how I can help you guys in the field of tech. And especially at the moment, I'm learning a lot about the smartphone technology area, and I've been recently keeping up to date with what's happening in smartphones, and there's recently been a release of the OnePlus 7 Pro, which I plan on buying and comparing with my Samsung Galaxy S10. So if you're interested, I'm gonna be making comparison videos on that, and it's been a really great journey. And at the beginning, it was a little funny one where my sister's trying to train me on how to elegantly unbox her iPhone XS, and as well as my mum joining in with the commentary of the video. So it's a funny clip, so I'm gonna show you guys now.
Đâu, Chiu thì mà, máy về chứ bà. Chiu phơi sao nào?
nè,
係啊，話俾我啊，
係嘅
我
咩電話？
咪係我咩？
冇摸啊，佢樣嘅，
細嗰度，
係啊，
有蘋果牌㗎。哇，幾錢啊？呢有幾隻蘋果牌嘅喎？
Okay, that's plugged in.
not underneath it, to the side of the phone.
Cable,
Right.
awesome. Then there's nothing on the box.
Yes, put the box back together. Does it save space and be tidier? No, put the box back together. Because you don't need to keep seeing it, that's it. There you go, that's really tidy. You know that you can keep in there, you don't want the plastic.